Hi volunteers, welcome to the Hospice Volunteer Training Program. When you volunteer with hospice, you need to take care of others. But how can you take care of others if you are not taking care of yourself? In this video, we are going to discuss about how can you take care of yourself. Let's discuss about that. Use your brain to cut stress. If you understand which side of your brain is experiencing stress, you can actually encourage the other side of your brain to take over and help calm the stressed out side. If you feel depressed or emotionally worked up, the stress you're experiencing is in the right side of your brain. It is creative and emotional side. Try switching to your left brain by doing something factual like math. The emotional side will calm down. If your left brain is feeling the stress, it may exhibit itself in feeling time pressure or a heavy sense of feeling burned down with the care of life. Try switching to your right brain by singing or taking a relaxing walk. Find a place all your own where you can go undisturbed every day. Use the solitude to relax, meditate and regroup. Learn to accept the praise and gratitude of others. Praise others freely, telling them sincerely and openly what you appreciate about them. The endless cycle of giving and receiving love, acceptance energizes and heals. Change your routine whenever you can. Getting into a rut can feel safe, but it can also dull the senses and stifle creativity, which is essential for spiritual health. Say, I choose to instead of I should or I will not, rather than I cannot. Guilt is a poor motivator. Continually reminding yourself through your choice of words that you are free to choose the course of your life and not a victim of circumstances. Establish a buddy system and use it as a source of encouragement, support and redirection. Nothing is more valuable than a trusted friend who will not only accept us and cheer us on to a greater accomplishment. Remember that when you cannot do any more for your hospice family than you are doing, an attitude of aloofness and indifference is harmful. A lack of openness and honesty can set up a dynamic in which you spend a tremendous amount of energy avoiding the real issue with them. Find things to laugh about and experience joy. Exult in the beauty around you, from the smile of a child to the brilliance of a sunset over the ocean. Ponder this. If you never say no, what is your yes worth? Before you take care of others, it's important that you first take care about yourself. This is how you will be able to help out the people while working and volunteering at the hospice. So volunteers, in this video we discussed about how can you take care of yourself. Follow these steps and work on yourself. So volunteers, keep on watching more videos and keep on learning.